Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to implement a smart printf for your Flex apps. It's a common requirement for every application to display some output, maybe for the test or debugging purposes. For example, I'm using one of these codes from this internship group itself. I think this is I118. As you can see, this red colored text, this is all output of a trace command. Now the trace generally goes to a console. So one of the problems there is you have to switch between the application GUI and the compiler. The second issue is that if you ship your application to a customer, the customer will not have and will not run this application in FDT. So he won't have access to the console either. So with these two limitations, trace becomes inefficient. So we have to implement a smart printf. So for that, I'll show you how it can be easily done. So I'm just taking one of your codes, and here what you can do is add a text area. So I've selected here adding a text area. I'm calling it as log window, making a % width and height to be 100%. And then in the top, I'm defining here, there's a selected part here, a function called as printf. It's a public function, returns void. And then I'm just taking up a text and the object which comes to me from that, and then adding a new line and then putting it back into the text. So with this simple change, now let us look at wherever we have trace, how can we replace it with our printf. This is a new function, and just go to the next, and here replace, go to the next, replace, go to the next, replace. So there are plenty of 21, and we replace 3 or 4, so 24, 25 places just replaced with printf. And as you can see, there is no need to do anything else, no compilation error, nothing. With our newly added function, everything now becomes here. As you can see, I've run this and all the output has come to this window, which is now, and the backside window here, this window is the console window, which is empty. So everything that was supposed to go there has now come here. So this is a very, very powerful technique. It allows you to see the debugging even at the runtime, even after you ship to the customer. And so this is really a very, very good debugging tool. I hope you will use these tools. So implement your own printf and go ahead. All right, enjoy.